Welcome to the new module, module number 3. In this module, we are going to dive deeper on N8N. For example, we are going to see the most common nodes, the error handling, and how debugging N8N workflows. But it's so important that you have to know is we are going to use the previous knowledge learned, such as AI agent mindset, data flow, and the different agents pattern that we have. Most common nodes we are going to see webhook node, HTTP, execution, code, and wait node. But the best part is we are going to see all these nodes over a real world example. Debugging, we are going to see what is execution tab, why it's important, learn how use these tabs, some tips, values tips to debugging, like clean data, validate data, and always test the flow after adding any new node, error handling. And this is the assignment that we are going to cover on this module. But here I have a challenge for you. Please pause the video, read the assignment, and think about it. How will you solve this? Which patterns you use for solving? And how the automation will look like. Nice. If you are already done, let's see how we are going to handle this. Here we have the assignment, and as it's pretty similar to a client problem, and even the description of the client as well. I think maybe the description of the client is poor than this. But well, we are going to have the entry point will be a webhook. After that, we need to implement a couple nodes, not only once, if not a couple nodes, to lead qualification AI, something pretty similar that we already did. And as we can see here, the system that if lead is ready to pusher, want to send a personal email, well, that's why we have the AI agent for hot leads. But if the system detect the lead is still evaluating, we want to send them personal emails and include a document in the email. As well, we have a separate autonomous agent for this case as well. And what is the reason to have this in this way? Because say in the future, we also want to add some additional action depending on the category. Each of the agent is autonomous and can have different actions and tools, and this way is more scalable. And here is something missing, that we are going to have automation here. This automation create the document and email content, document content, and send the email as well. Send the email. And we are going, this will be external automation or external workflow. That's mean those AI agent will call this automation when it's needed. And as we already see before, we have till this point is automation. We decide which agent use, and the agent use as a tool external automation that we are going to create as well. Nice. And here we have how will looks like the form data. This looks a little bit weird, but if you are not programming, but the form provided by the client has a name, an input for name, one input to emails, company site could be this possible option, one, solo, small, medium, and large. The same with the services needed. These are the possible services the company has. That's why we are main reference here. And well, budget message. This model, we are going to create the entire workflow in the entire model. We are going to see what is most common nodes and implemented. What is the debugging and implemented on our AI agents, and error handling and validation and implemented. Let's jump to the business.